Unicorns, they're so beautiful. I always wish I could see one, but with this pose, I can be one. So let's start in our tabletop with our shoulders right over our wrists and our fingers nice and wide. I'm gonna take my right foot and step it out to the side, sort of like I was in a warrior two, only on my hands and knees. I take my hands up to my hips, and then I can straighten out that leg as much as you can. And if it needs to stay bent, it can stay bent. I'm gonna reach my arms up to the sky, and then whoa! And I'm gonna make this the horn of my unicorn. Extend and reach your arms and legs as much as you can, and then take your hand and push away from the floor. Take your hands to your hips, put your hands down, step your knee in. If you unicorn one way, you got a unicorn the other way. Step the foot out to the side. Take your hands to your hips. Bring your body upright. And then as much as you can keep that knee bent if you want, or straighten it. Reach up to the sky. This is like the horn growing, like when you're a baby unicorn growing to a full-grown unicorn. And then over to the side. Unicorn it. Turn, turn, turn if you can, your belly towards the sky, unicorns. And then come up, take your hands to your hips, step your foot in, go back to being a human.